Croeso I NatWest Cymru, fy enw I Mark Douglas, cyfar wyddwr rhanbarthol o NatWest Cymru. My name is Mark Douglas, I'm the Regional Director of NatWest Bank in Wales, NatWest Cymru. We have a clear vision here in NatWest, and that is to be the #1 bank for customer service, for trust and for advocacy. One of the key ways that we will deliver that is we have to connect with our customers far better than we've ever done before. And for me, being passionately Welsh and looking after the Welsh bit of our business, the language offering is absolutely crucial. The customers need to have a choice in how they deal with us and in which language and which method they choose to bank with us. It's a huge challenge, but it's a journey that we're determined to go on. The use of the Welsh language is definitely now seen as a workplace skill. We encourage our staff to learn the language. I am and probably always will be a learner, and we have many examples of staff learning the language for the benefits of themselves, but also to offer that linguistic preference for customers, and it does enhance that customer experience.
So here in Wrexham branch, as a team, we've learnt Welsh. That's helped us embrace the Welsh language. It's helped us serve our customers better, and the fact that the bank supported it and we paid for it was really, really practical, really useful as well. For me, Welsh language is really important. Language in itself is really important. For me, language binds people. It binds and connects people. Engagement between the customer and the staff relationship has improved as well since learning Welsh.
I had a very positive experience learning Welsh from NatWest. It was good how it was brought from up above, so everyone was asking if we'd be interested in going forward with it and learning and developing and getting more confident with it. I think was the main thing, the message that we had for everybody. So we all got involved and spoke to the manager Pam here, and she got in touch with the college for us. And it was a very enjoyable experience. It was fun. It was aimed at the bank as well. So again, for us, you could learn Welsh in a very broad spectrum, but it was nice and specific, so skills that we could use. So yeah, it was very good.
We're very proud to have Welsh speakers going out to the Welsh-speaking villages and communities throughout the Principality. Our mobile banking units, which we have 4 of, which offer a fully bilingual service throughout many communities in Wales. We also have what I believe is the jewel in the crown of our Welsh language proposition, which is our Welsh language telephony centre at Canolfan Menai, where we have a truly Welsh language offering. It is bilingual, but predominantly it's a Welsh language service.
Bore da, da chi'n dod I Craig, sut fydde helpu chi?
Mae'n bwysig hefyd bod y canghennau yn gwneud eu cwsmeriad yn ymwybodol o'r gwasanaeth da ni yn gynnig yn fan hyn.
Da ni yn cynnig y gwasanaeth wrth gwrs hefyd yn ddwyieithog i'n cwsmeriad busnes, cynnig fel yn arferol i'n cwsmeriad personol, a hefyd da ni hefyd yn rhoi gwasanaeth gyfieithu yma.
Mae rhan o swydd fi yn mynd allan I weld o fath o countants, trwniad, lot o cwsmeriad newydd, a fel dwi'n deud, mae'n lot haws iddyn nhw siarad yn y iaith maen nhw'n nabod, achos mae'n golygu gymaint i'r pobl yn yr ardal.
I'm also very aware that if our offering is to be genuine and true and customer focused, that we needed some independent feedback, some independent assessments on how we're doing, and also a source of expertise that we could go to for help, to help us truly deliver our Welsh language service. We've worked with a company called Lles, who accredit our branches with their offering and also give us guidance and governance on what we can and what we could potentially be doing to further promote our services.
Yes, gweithio gyda NatWest Cymru. Mae lles wedi bod yn mor hapus gyda diwylliant a egwydd y dîm fewnol, tuag at y iaith Gymraeg. Mae nhw'n dal gwybod bod nhw angen i datblygu y gwasanaethau drwy Gymraeg, mwyn darparu gwasanaeth ansawdd uchel i bob cwsmer, enwedig yn y ardal o feddalwedd a thechnoleg. Mae lles yn hapus yn cadarnhau bod nhw'n gweithio'n galed ar draws y cwmni fod yn banc dwyieithog.
So the next step for us is to measure how far we've come and to see if what we're doing has worked thus far. And this is where I need your help. I would like to invite you to take part in the NatWest Challenge Cymraeg. What is that? So basically, whether you're a customer or a non-customer, I'm inviting you to go into any branch in Wales, if you're a Welsh speaker, and the member of staff there should be able to confidently and comfortably serve you. And if they're a non-Welsh speaker, then they should direct you and point you either to a Welsh-speaking member of staff or to our Welsh-speaking telephony service at Canolfan Menai. Help me and take the challenge. So we want to be seen as a national bank with a strong Welsh identity that serves customers well, serves customers in the language of their choice.